Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine, safe, secure at your place. I'm really sorry that I'm making video after so many days. I think after 2 months. But yes, I have uploaded the shorts. You may go and watch it. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, then you can follow me on Instagram. There I keep posting the stories, reels, and yeah, that's it for the updates. And in today's video, you know that what I am going to share. I am going to share the review of this is L'Oreal's Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Serum, and this is again the Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Micro Epidemic Hyaluron Fining Cream. So this is my 2024's summer skincare, and with this I'm applying a plum serum that I'm going to share in my next video. And yeah, so without any delay, let's get into the video. So guys, let's talk about its packaging. So I have bought it separately and this is not a sponsored video. ये मैंने अपनी खुद की मेहनत के पैसों से ख़रीदा है, ठीक है. So अभी तक मैंने इसको ओपन भी नहीं करा है, ठीक है. इसको मैंने अभी ओपन भी नहीं करा है, तो वो मैं आपके सामने करूँगी. और ये देखो, ओके. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस. पहले हम सीरम की बात करते हैं. दिस इज़ लॉरियल पैरिस रिवाइटलिफ्ट हाइलुरोनिक एसिड 1.5% हाइलुरॉन सीरम. It plumps and hydrates skin and it helps to reduce the fine lines. Okay, and if I'll talk about the price and the weightage, so the price of it 999 and the weight is 30 ml. Okay, so because I have purchased it from Nike or maybe Purple, so it cost me I got it in a discount. And let's talk about this packaging. This is L'Oreal Paris Innovation Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Micro Epidemic Hyaluron Fine Filling Water Cream. It replumps for 38% fine lines. And if we'll talk about the weight and the price of it is 999 again, and the weight is 50 ml. See, here is the price and here is the net content. Okay, so we'll talk about the benefits of it, but let's open it first. Guys, if we'll turn this around, so you will get to see that it has written it's a powerful skin solution for a fast visible results created by L'Oreal Paris. Okay, and it's a dermatologically tested for safety purpose. And see, it has written the steps. Oh my god, it's getting blur. Yeah, now it's completely visible. So yes, here are the steps. Number 1 is plumping micellar water. Second is plumping gel cleanser. Third is plumping serum. Fourth is plumping fresh mask. And fifth is plumping cream, day cream. So first and second I haven't purchased. I have directly purchased the serum and the cream. And if you want, then you can purchase all the entire range of it. But before this, I would request you to do the patch test. Okay. And here are the ingredients. It has aqua, water, glycerin, ethnic, slonic, hyaluronic. Okay, so yeah, let's open the packaging. And same goes with this. They both carries the same ingredients and the same steps. See, it has all the same steps. Let's open it. And here it is. This is, I purchased the bigger one. This is 30 ml. You see here it is written. And same goes with, let me open this for you. Yes, here it is. So guys, it has a glass bottle and a tube to apply the serum, that is also made of a glass. And if you'll see that it has a watery based consistency, and you can see it's in a very lightweight. See, if I'm applying it, so it just applying very smoothly. And see, there's no, it does not left any scar on your face, and it's applying very smoothly. And okay, so because it has a properties ingredients like hyaluronic. So the hyaluronic primarily function of acid is to provide the moisturizer to the skin, eyes and joints. Hyaluronic acid benefits may include smoother skin texture, anti-aging effects and smoothing of a dry eyes. Okay. And the next ingredients, it has like propylene glycol. So it acts as a human tint and it resolves the skin dryness and dull appearances. It has also glycerin, and which increases the skin hydration, relieve dryness and refresh the skin surface. Now as I have opened the cream, so it has a very good fragrance and I liked it because the serum does not contain any fragrance. And see, again it's in a watery base and it's a lightweight. So again it contains a dimetone and it helps to provide the long lasting skin smoothing. Last, it has the alcohol denant temporarily, and actually it temporarily reduces the oil and a grease. Because yeah, that I can really see if I'm applying it. So this does not any provide any greasiness to your face and your skin, which is quite good for the summer. So guys, I have done applying the serum and the cream, and you guys can see the instant glow on my face. And these products are a watery based, the serum is also a watery based, and the best part about this serum is this does not contain any fragrance. But yes, the cream has a fragrance which is actually required, because this is something which is going to be on your face, on your skin for the entire day, and you have to smell fresh. So this is quite good. I am happy with this. The fragrance of it, this is not that much deeper, or you can say that is going to irritate your nose. So if you, because I have a sensitive nose, so this is quite good for me. And yeah, that's it. And because this is a hyaluronic product, so you do not have to step out before applying any sunscreen on your face. And what sunscreen I am using on top of all these, I will let you know in my next video, so please continue watch that. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you does, then you know what you have to do is like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye guys, take care. And yes, please ignore the overall background noise, because I am shooting it sitting just next to my balcony, because a much required that summer tanning, what does it mean? This summer means to get a tan on your skin. So yes, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye guys, take care, love you all.